Hello, my name is Marcus Kosman and I'm a Lego designer. Today I have the pleasure to present you our new Lego excavator. It has a lot of nice functions. It can turn, it has a boom which can lift up and down by turning the wheel in the back with our new linear actuators. By switching the gear shift, you can get the shovel function, like this. Now I'm going to show you how to motorize our model with our new power function elements. First of all, we need a battery box, a motor, pull shift, and a clutch gear. We've prepared the model so it's easy to install these elements. First of all, you have to take off the sides, like this, and the other side, like this. Then you have to take off the back, like this. There you find a formula cross axle with the bushing. Take the bushing off and slide the formula cross axle into the motor. Then you take the small gear wheel off with the 8 teeth and slide the gray beam off the model. Then add the motor to the 2 black snaps. And now comes the tricky part. You have to feed the cable underneath the gearbox, like this. The cable comes out on the other side. Then slide on the black beam with the motor back on the model. Like this. Next thing you have to do, take off the 24 gear and slide it on the left cross axle. Then take your clutch gear and slide it on the other cross axle. Then take the bushing you have left and put it on the cross axle of the back and put the whole back on again. Like this. Turn your model. The next tricky part, the pole switch cable has to go through the turntable. I'll show you how to do that. There you go. Then you can add the cable of the motor to the pole switch, like this. Put the pole switch on the studs, which are on the one side, like this, and slide the side back on the model, like this. Do the same thing for the other side, like this. Don't need the small gear anymore. Now turn around your model and add the battery box, like this, and slide the battery box underneath the model. Now you take off the top part of the gear switch and add it to your pole switch. Now you can start your model by switching it on, so green light flashes in the battery box. And now you can play. First of all, you choose a function. Like in the front, you will lift and lower the boom, like this. By switching it to the other function, you can control the shovel. So you have motorized your excavator and now it's ready to play.